Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim, and today I'm going to take you through a declutter and organize of my itty bitty linen closet. This is right next to my bathroom, so it houses like all of our washcloth, towels, extra shampoos, conditioners, and soaps, and a lot of expired stuff right now. I have some eye juice in here, which is just contact lens solution. I stopped wearing contacts once the whole pandemic thing hit and everybody shut down. So it's all expired, which is really kind of annoying, but oh well, it's my own fault. I stopped wearing my contacts because I wasn't touching my face, and my contacts do scratch a little bit when I'm out. So I didn't want to have to bother with rubbing my eyes or anything. But we're going to go through, we're going to get rid of what isn't good in this closet, which I also have face soap that I think if I put it on my skin would probably burn a hole through it. But anyway, it's going to be part of a series of me just going through and decluttering all of the stuff that I no longer need in my house. So let's get it started here, and I'm on a roll, so let's go. So over the past couple months, I've gained some new subscribers to my channel, and I want to thank you guys so much. And for everybody who has also been with me that keeps coming back, thank you guys too. It means so much to me that you guys take an interest in whatever goofy thing I decide that I'm going to get myself into with each of these videos. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love chit-chatting with you guys, and I see like certain people always coming back and commenting, and I do love that. You know, it's kind of like an extended little family that I get to chit-chat with, which is always nice, especially during these times where we kind of seem separated from people on the outside world. Like when we're out, it's so hard to even just to smile at people when you're just passing by because we have a mask on. So with all of the towels that I have in here, I've been trying to keep up with getting rid of them as I see them come through the laundry, like towels that are ripped up or washcloths that are just so dingy that I'm just going to use them as rags. So I don't have much as far as my towels and washcloths to declutter. However, I am going to show you a sneak peek of my middle closet. Like there's a closet that it's really just a catch-all of everything. You name it, it's in there, and it is horrendous. Like I'm gonna say borderline hoarder bad, but I will show you a little sneak peek of that. But I wanted to suggest, if you do have any kind of towels and washcloths and sheets that you're no longer using, check with your local animal shelters and see if they would take them. Like I know I have a bunch of blankets that the kids don't use anymore, and they'll take them. Even if they're pretty big blankets, they'll just cut them up to the sizes that they need, and you'll give a little kitten or puppy that little comfort that it needs, just something soft to snuggle up to while they're in the shelters waiting for their forever homes. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? So here is a rug that was original to the house. It apparently is glued in this closet. That must be why it's still in there. It wouldn't come out. So I'm just going to vacuum it up for now. And I'm also going to just vacuum anywhere the shelves kind of had a little gap where it got all kinds of dust. And look at that, I found a penny, which I guess that's good luck, right? But I'm also going to line the shelves again with new contact paper that I found at the dollar store. I'm just going to wipe the shelves down real quick with the Dawn Power Wash and a paper towel, and look at how grimy it was. I'm surprised because that door is always closed, but I guess because it kind of is right off the kitchen, I guess the dust and grease just get everywhere at this point. But I'm just going to wipe them down so that I can put the new contact paper on. I am only going to show you the one shelf because it took a little longer than I thought it was going to, but I got the one shelf done, and then I did get all of them done. But you will see not exactly all of them. Little, I guess, spoiler alert, there was one shelf that didn't get covered. I just didn't have enough paper because the top shelf, you can see the bottom of the shelf. So I lined it all the way around instead of just the top of it, but you'll see that in the next clips. So here I'm just going to use one of my old store rewards cards that I'm just trying to get all of the bubbles out from when I'm laying this. This did work pretty well, I will say. I don't know how well it's going to last, like kind of hold up to wear and tear, but it looks nice for now, and I will update you guys later. It was a little tricky to get it to stick to the sides, but you don't see that in the closet because it's against the walls. But I do like this pattern. It's just like a, I guess like a trellis kind of pattern, gray and white. And I do like how it looks in the closet. And you will see the one bottom shelf did not get covered. So I do have to get more of the paper. Hopefully I can find it.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you.
I'm always being nosy and peeking out the window to see what's going on. I'm one of those neighbors. I'm the Gladys Kravitz of the neighborhood. I have to know everything that's going on by peeking out my windows.
You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions.
And there's that one bottom shelf that just didn't get covered, but it will. So I'm just going to start packing everything back in. And I also went back to my stockpile just so I can make sure that everything we need is right here, right next to the shower. Like any kind of shampoos, conditioners, soaps, and try and get my towels in some kind of an order that I'm not just stuffing them in there and shutting the closet as quickly as I can. So let me know down in the comment section below, do you guys enjoy videos that just have music with a little bit of talking, or when I get on here and kind of ramble a little bit and just tell goofy or funny stories or just things that kind of pop up into my head? So let me know in the comment section down below what kind of videos you guys prefer. So a quick story about this picture that you're seeing on the wall in front of me here. That is of my father. We lost my dad, gosh, it's going on 4 years this June. And this is a painting that my daughter did for me of my dad that she gave to me Christmas, not this past, but the one before. And I absolutely love this picture. I'm going to have to find the picture that it's a photograph that she actually had from my wedding. And it's the tiniest little photograph she could have had of my dad. Why she didn't pick like one of the bigger ones that I had in my album, this just spoke to her. She said, no, I want to do this picture of Pop. This is how I remember him. My dad always had a cigarette in his hands. So that's what you see there in his hands. But she nailed this picture so well. And I just absolutely love it. So that's the backstory to this picture here that just holds such a dear place into my heart. So there you have it, guys. That is the finished product of the closet. Is it Pinterest perfect? No, nothing in my house is, but that's okay. I'm liking the way that this looks and it's going to work for my family. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Bye, guys.